I got a Glock in my Rari. 17 shots, I'm 38. She's fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. She
Damn, I messed up. We gotta go bald, fam.
Oh, shit.
Delicious. Finally. Some good fucking food.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Nobody asked you that a bitch ass thing. You better shut the fuck up before I knock your fucking head off your shoulders, old ugly ass bitch. Stupid ass bitch. Nigga, I'll kick your fucking heart out your chest, nigga. Better watch the fuck out, nigga. Stay the fuck out.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
This some serious gourmet shit.
What's up, fuckers?
What the fuck is that?
Number 12, cock. Number 6, man urinates on fellow passenger for not being allowed to smoke.
What? We're flying to Philadelphia. Oh, hell no. That's hell no. Whoa. Oh, hell no. Michael, no.
You serious?
What do you mean by that?
Get the fuck out my porch!
Gone on you with the pick and roll. Younger flame, he in sicko mode.
Honestly, if I saw that damn thing in my living room, I'd stomp on it until it was a small brown stain. I don't feel so good.
Ay, 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 ay.
I've fallen, and I can't get up.